In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GTD Notion template. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can set up a simple, reliable system for managing your tasks and projects in Notion. Start by heading to the Notion website. If you're not already signed in, click Log In at the top. You'll see a few sign-in choices. For this tutorial, choose the Google option. Select the Google account you use with Notion and you'll be taken right into your workspace. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar for the Marketplace. This is where creators share ready-made templates you can add to your own setup. In the Marketplace search bar, type GTD template. Browse the results and pick a template that matches your style. When you're ready, click Add to bring it into your workspace, then click See Template to open it and start exploring. You'll notice sections like Inbox and Next Actions, along with other views designed to map to the Getting Things Done framework. Think of the inbox as your capture zone. It's where new ideas, tasks, and reminders land before you organize them. Next Actions is for tasks that are clarified and ready to do, so you always know what to focus on. To add your first task, open the Inbox section and click New. Give the task a clear, specific name so it's instantly recognizable later. Next, set a due date using the calendar icon. If a task doesn't need a deadline, that's fine, but when timing matters, a date helps anchor your plan. Fill in any additional details the template offers, such as context, work or personal category, and priority. The more precise you are here, the easier it will be to filter and decide what to do next. As you progress, update the task status. Changing it to Next Action moves it out of the inbox and into the section where you'll manage active work. You'll see tasks automatically flow between sections as you update their properties, which keeps everything organized without manual duplication. Most GTD templates also include a calendar view. Switch to that view whenever you want a timeline perspective. It's a great way to spot upcoming deadlines, prevent overlaps, and balance your workload for the week. Feel free to click around the different tabs and views to understand how each piece fits together. The goal of this system is to keep everything captured, organized, and easy to review so you can focus on doing, not remembering. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Notion tips and tutorials.